My name is Elizabeth Wager and I'm a PhD student at the University of Natural Resources and Life Sciences, Vienna. We are dealing with mycotoxins. These are fungal or secondary fungal metabolites produced either in the field or during storage. And mycotoxins can have a variety of toxicological effects on humans and animals, ranging from just vomiting and diarrhea to even death, depending on the concentration, of course. So the method I'm developing is a high-resolution LC-MS spectral database and library. We acquire high-resolution spectra with all the standards which we have, and then we import them into our database and library. And then the purpose is that other researchers who don't have access to that many standards can just buy this database and library and then confirm the presence or absence of the mycotoxin in the sample without having the standards. The instrument we are using is a so-called quadrupole time-of-flight instrument. It's from HLN Technologies and it's the 6550 iFungal QTOF. What we can do is that we acquire very fast full scan spectra with high resolution. That's a big advantage compared to the triple quadrupole instruments which are normally used for the determination of mycotoxins in different food and feeds. And the challenges are that you see everything. So if you have a contamination of your solvent, or your column is bleeding, you see it, and of course you don't know whether it's coming from the column, from the solvents, or whether it's really in your sample. So that's why it's really important to have always blanks and just to make sure that you use the highest grade of solvent or use solvents which you know very well. So the future applications are that researchers who don't have access to that many standards as we have can confirm the presence of mycotoxin in the samples. And if they then realize, okay, this one compound is occurring very, very often and I detect it very often in my samples, so it might be a good idea to buy this one standard. But I don't have to buy all 400, and also not all 400 are commercially available because some of them we produced ourselves or we purified ourselves or some of our collaboration partners, so it's not that easy to get so many standards.